Good morning. Good morning, world. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, subscribers. Good morning, all who are new to the channel. Big up on yourself. Thanks for always tuning in. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the love. Thanks for everything. If you don't do anything, big up yourself, same way. And thanks, people. I want you guys to interact with the videos a little. You understand? I am trying to see how best I can actually complete a milestone on YouTube. So big up on yourself again. Thanks for watching the videos, but see if you can give it a little thumbs up and 1 and 2 comment one at a time. See you. See me I say? Yeah man, big up on yourself again, man. Why my people? I don't know if all of you guys that are watching are in Jamaica, but who is in Jamaica right now? I don't know how the weather treat you know, but here in Western Jamaica, here in Westmoreland, you know, so pretty powerful side at all. It's God's blessing, but I tell you, say, it's been raining every day. Right now, it's like minutes to 9, and it drizzling a bit already. And right now, I tell you, no, say, the rain out will fall already, and it's like minutes to 9 in the morning. But big up on yourself, stay away. Without further ado, let me get straight into the video. Give me some light now. Yeah man, so I actually have some chicken that I wanted to brown stew today. Some chop up chicken, and I know like bigger cuts like what I did for Sunday. Yeah man, it's either brown stew or curry. I'm not quite sure. Anyway, chicken is a bit icy. Let me just get some water. Cause this not gonna cook now anyways, but you know me, I like to season my chicken and let it marinate for a bit. Oh, it's already in. I was looking for the drain plug, but it's already bound. Get some water and that. Yeah man. And in the meantime, breakfast settings. Yeah man. See what I go on? Right now I'm going to fry 2 dumplings and one small plantain on the side with the grace mackerel. So I have all of my season and everything already ready. Understand? So I'm going to look for breakfast and I'm going to dinner today. Yeah man. But big up on yourself again. All the new to the channel man, please remember subscribe, seeing and show some love. Seeing? Yeah man, big up on yourself. Me I go start kneading this flour. Fried dumpling me I do. I'm not cooking any dumpling today. I have baking powder. I have some baking powder right here. Gonna knead this flour and let it sit for a bit or make it rest. I don't know which one of the terms you guys use. So gonna knead that for a bit. Put that aside for maybe about 15-20 minutes, because when I'm frying flour, that's how I do it. I just knead it, put it aside for a bit, and then after I flour rest for a while, then yeah, then we start make my dumpling them and drop them in the oil and fry them out and thing. Yeah man, but that is it for today's video. So fried dumpling, and later I might cook 2 dumplings. I have yellow yam which I wanted to roast, but I tell you say, the weather guys, I can't do any outdoor activities until the weather or the climate kind of change, because right now it's hurricane season in the Caribbean. Yeah man, this time I hear hurricanes start come out, you know. Yeah man, hurricane season you know. Yeah man, so you know say we're gonna be getting a whole lot of rain, right? So whatever I can do, I don't have a waterproof camera system or a waterproof phone, so you can't go out the door and tough out here and say alright, I want one adventure video, because see when my device can't come out, they can record it. You understand? Because you know so I'm going out the door and deal with that long time. Yeah man. So anyway, we'll get busy in the kitchen now and show you what I go and see. Yeah man, so stay tuned and watch out for your breakfast. Alright, so So I'm going now. I'm going with my flour. A lot of people tend to sift their flour before kneading it for frying. I'm not gonna do too much, guys, because right now it's me alone. I'm the only one here, so talking about this ton load of food and no one is here to eat it makes no sense. So let me just go in with like this is maybe about 3/4 of a pound of flour, I think. Going with about about 2 tablespoons of baking powder. A lot of people tend to spice up their fried dumpling. A lot of people use vanilla. A lot of people use Lasco. I don't know if you know what Lasco is. I think it's a vanilla powder. Yeah, I just like to use a little bit of sugar, so just a tablespoon of sugar on that. And last is some salt. Alright. Alright, so this is about half tablespoon of salt. Yeah. And then now just go mix this a bit. Now we're about the hands, guys. I've already washed them. See? Yeah, man, just combine everything. Just combine. Alright, so now you get the drift. We just go add the water now and make the dough. Yep. I mean, do this on iPad, people. Now try this at home. Get on a cup. Get your cup. And slowly add your water from your cup. You're gonna try this under running pipe like I'm doing and fail. You would have to add more flour because the dough will probably get too soft. Yeah, man, so when you get the drift, I'm gonna go bored and make you have to skip out the video and things. So just go near this, cover it for a bit, and then start fry up my mackerel and thing. You understand? Yes, my people. Big up on yourself again. Thanks for the love and thanks for the support. Yeah, man. Remember to like, share, comment, and do all of the good stuff. See? Bless up on yourself. See you in a few. Alright, see the people. Finished product. All I'm just gonna do is cover it for a bit and then start frying up my mackerel. And I may cook this chicken right away after seasoning. I'm not sure. I may just cook it right away after I season it. The flour now, the food that I'm gonna cook with this, that's what I may cook last, because you know, cooking the food earlier, it's not gonna give you the same fresh taste if I eat it later for dinner. But for the meat, you know, you can even put that in a fridge and eat it tomorrow. It probably even tastes a little better because all of the seasoning them combined and everything, you know. Alright, so moving on. Let's get to the mackerel. Go prep some season. Have a piece of thyme, piece of scallion. Yeah. So just go prepare all of my natural seasonings and stuff and get busy. Alright, so see you guys again in a few. See it there? Everything ready. Come on. Garlic, scallion, scotch bonnet, sweet pepper, onion, tomato, and some dried thyme right here. Yeah man, that's all that's needed. I'm like this stove. Good. Alright, so I'll be using these two pans. I'll be using the smaller ones for frying the dumplings because I want to use less oil. Right, so I may have to fry about 2 or 3 sets, but I don't mind. The oil level in this will rise faster because it's smaller. Right, so yeah man, I'm gonna use that one to fry the dumplings, and the bigger one, less oil, I'll use it for jack mackerel. You never know, now you know. So make that go on hot. Oh, go get in some oil and start deal with it. So stay tuned. Let's set up the camera. I must know if you fry up mackerel. I have shown you that. I have shown you that. Fry up the mackerel, man. Big up on yourself. Why somebody pinch me and tell me say the young girl they want to see, so apparently they don't know how to fry up mackerel. Alright, I'm not come to school. Right place in the day. I'm gonna start back the video and start watch again. Anyway, this one guys, you know me always add my I always add my sweet pepper last, but for this one everything can go in one time because by the mere saute, I'm going with the mackerel. Yeah. So that is it. But nice and colorful. Another thing is have some steak or some lamb chops or you know. Another thing got some fancy. Hey, I don't want to go out and this mackerel. Yeah man. People, guys, listen to me man. Take my foolish advice. You see whatever you do, try to do it to the best of your ability. You understand? Or if a mackerel or if it's a sardine or whatever. Always make sure that the pot season will be with it to the best of your ability. Now I'm just gonna reduce the flame to the lowest and I'm gonna close that down and just make everything go on, you know, saute, and as soon as the onion get a bit transparent, then I know it's ready. Yeah man. So that is it. Yeah, a lot of people, you see this, one heap of people will just throw this in a plate first to remove the center bone. We remove the center bone in a pot. I don't know how much I do that. I pull it through in a pot and reduce, not reduce, remove, sorry guys. Remove the center bone while in a pot. Yeah, so. Yep, that is it. So I'm gonna give this about 2 more minutes. Start back the video, see? Alright. So I'm going. Yeah. Smelling good. Alright, so yeah man, let me look. This is looking okay. As you can see, the onions are not that solid looking again. I'm not sure how much of the transparency you guys can see on camera, but yeah man, right, that's what we want. So now I'm going with my mackerel now. So we're going guys. Yeah, see good stuff there. Oh, jack mackerel. And you know, of course, we can't dash with this. You have it? Add a little tubs of water. Yeah man. And spin it around 2 times. Yeah man. Yeah people. You have to wash out the can, and that's the sweetest part right there. So what I normally do is just get a fork and open these along the middle and just remove the center bone. I want my big hand there now, I'm black now. See it? Just like that. Just like that, guys. This no need to throw in a known plate to remove the bones. Just like that. Somebody up there. Hold on. Alright people, so someone was calling my sister. I've just gotten to find out that my sister was here sleeping. Thought I was here alone, so yeah. Anyways, all the center bones have been removed. You know, so old people back in the days eat that. Yeah man. I just normally break this thing into, you know. I don't bother with the mince up thing. And I don't know why, guys. Did you know that it's more tastier, the smaller mackerels? I don't know if you guys ever experienced something like this. It's the same brand, same packaging, but the smaller one tastes a lot better. I don't know why. It doesn't taste the same as this bigger one. Alright, so anyways, that is that. What I'm gonna do now is add a little bit of all-purpose and black pepper to this, because this thing is already seasoned and everything, and packaged and canned and all of that, so you don't really need much. Right, but I will go in with a little bit of black pepper. If you have white pepper, you can use white pepper as well. White pepper is much better, I think. Alright, so that's it for black pepper. And a little bit of Maggi all-purpose. Just a little bit. Because you don't know what you're doing with this thing. It come out salty. Because as I said, it's already seasoned and everything from factory, but you know, we have to eat with our own touch. And that is it. We just go turn up the flame, you know, make everything just come to a boil a bit. And then that's it. Yeah man. It's already cooked and everything. All it needed to do was warm up and things. So you don't need no time, no nothing. It's ready. But I just want it to come to a boil and let all of the seasoning come together, and you know? See, we can get a closer shot. See, you know? Start boil. You see what I'm going? Real mackerel and dumpling this morning. I think I ain't gonna show you this. I did have to show you this because I think a piece steak we eat and, you know, the expensive meals and no sir. We mash up the mackerel, see me man, and the chicken back. Alright, who not see chicken back with it? Go back in the older videos and we see what pot of chicken back when we deal with. Wicked. So without further ado, I'm gonna put on my other frying pan. This can turn off now. So shouldn't even turn that off. I was just thinking of adding it to the next side of the stove. But fry my two dumplings then. Alright, so I started to shape a few of my flowers here in plate, but see what they go on. So what I do, I'm not gonna show every one single one I make from. I make one it good. Not true. Alright, so all you have to do is just roll it in a ball. A nice little size. You don't need it too big, maybe about little over inch and quarter all around. Nice little round ball looking, just like that. And what I like to do now is just sink it just like that. It's a bit tacky, but that's fine. I like to just leave an impression on both sides. Down here could have sort out a little bit better, but me show you what I go on. Seeing so you have a dimple there and a dimple there. So because this have baking powder inside it, you can expect the flowers to expand. So when you do this, when you leave the impression on it, when it expands, it just gives you a perfect round shape, right? Yeah man, so if you want, the dumplings are not gonna really crack or anything, but if it even cracks open, that is fine. It's still edible, nothing is wrong with it. But for presentation and all that, you really want to do it this way so that you just sink it to get an impression right there, and yeah, you're good. All right, let me get a bit of oil in a pan. Again, people, everybody do things a bit different, so maybe where you're from, you guys don't do it that way. However you do it, you can free to leave a comment, or if you're on YouTube, you can always upload a video and comment the link, and I'll see and make a little try on your guys' ways. But this is how I learned. I grew up learning to do it. And when you're doing this, guys, you don't want no high flames. Low flame is good. It's perfect. Low flame, guys. Alright, so maybe I can get about 4 or 5 more out of that. So far I have 3 and 3, 6 and 1, 7. This part now I go hold the 7, but that's fine. Let me just try to set up my camera. Alright. Again, I'm just smoothing things out a bit because they were a bit rough. Yep. That's 3. That is 4. Maybe I just add 2 more. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have flour them are going to fry, and I did leave a little bit of space, even though I have room for 1 more, because the baking powder is in this. The flour will expand when it's frying. So as you can see also, all of the dimples, the impressions that I have made are being filled out because the flour is expanding. Right, so just go give it about 2 minutes more on this side. I think it's been on this side for about 2 minutes so far. Then we're gonna flip it and give it about 3 to 5 minutes on the other side. So you want to watch this until it's golden brown. So that's the real objective. That's the aim. So there is maybe a specific time when you have fried flour, but I can't calculate it right now and tell you. Yeah, we just eyeball things. This is Jamaica. That's fine. Alright, so give it a next minute or so, and then I'll start turning it. Once I turn it, what I'm gonna do is get a cover for this pot, and then I'll cover it up so that in the middle of the flour I need to trap the heat in the pot. I don't want to do it too early because I don't want the top of these dumplings to be ruined. So as soon as I flip it over, I'm gonna cover it, trap the heat inside. So Even if the oil can't get inside, the steam will do the cooking work. You understand? Frying flour is an art, you know, guys. And me not do pastry, you know. So might not perfect like some people do pastry and them things, but yeah, man. Knowledge and doing it for years, I have learned my technique. Seems everybody have their own technique, so you know, but I can kill me see I know so dumpling fry. I saw my technique do it. See? Yeah. Big up on yourself. Stay tuned. Alright, so it's been another minute. Turning time. I've already turned one right there. See the difference in color? Yeah, man. That's exactly what we need. And I am glad I had left some space for turning these. Because right now I've been so much problem. Right, perfect. Perfecto. Now I'm just gonna cover it down a bit. Let all that heat trapped and build up inside. So remember, these dumplings are a bit thick. So you need to trap the heat on the inside so that even if the oil doesn't get in there to fry it, the steam will. Right, so yeah. Go give it like 5 minutes and now and we should be good. Good to go. So soon show when I go on again. Alright. Yeah, man. It's about that time. See that, people? Fart does a sink with ease. So easy. Alright, so I just remove the pot cover and I'm gonna give it a next minute so that this side that was facing down meets the exact color of the top layer. This is one of the things, guys, why I use so much oil to fry things, because I don't really like turn stuff. If you're frying it, it needs oil to fry, right? Or unless you do air fryer, which you can't really fry dumpling like this in an air fryer. It needs oil. So nobody watch the oil and say, "Lord, that's too much oil." Yeah, make it look like so when me serve the food, me throw the oil in your plate. When I done fry this dumpling, practically the same amount of oil, if not maybe just a fraction go use up, because you know how it thing go. In the meantime, while that I go and fry, I have some dumpling left, some dough left, so I'm just go shape out the last few dumplings. And I should be good to go. Yeah, man, some people, after they knead the dough, get wet a kitchen cloth or something, and they'll cover it with the cloth instead of what I did with the pot cover. But until I see the difference, this method works best for me. You know, I think that thing really keeps it moist, you know, because right now my dough is feeling not so tacky anymore. It was tacky before. So guys, people that do that, please tell me why y'all do it. Yes, people, nice, beautiful and soft. As you can see, no pressure added for the fork. Yeah, man. So let me just add while I take out. No pressure at all, none. Soft. And it's lightweight. That's how you know it's ready to go. When you flour, lightweight. How are the Chris, around there? Yeah, man, me already open one of them and I go and eat it, you know, but I don't know, I have some set over this after last set. You want to know how soft this be? And nice and tasty. Huh. People, hot and tasty. Tastes good. But, do up on yourself. When me I go deal with the chicken, you get the next video. This is day one, so I 2 video I upload today. Oh, I have some plantain to fry. I don't even remember. But big up on yourself again. Next video. Alright people, I just got eat my breakfast right now. It's a big old scotch bonnet right there, so wait. Nice Jamaican breakfast. This is real, authentic Jamaican breakfast. Yeah man. Fried dumpling and mackerel and plantain. Yeah. So, big up on yourself until dinner time. See you?